return with some old faces, some new ones, and a journey to the jungle.
Oh, today's bush tucker trial is right as custom.
Oh, that's right. Our celebrity has to eat a handful of creepy crawlies. I didn't fancy that much.
Oh, you can see them all wriggling. Oh. Right. Here goes. Oh.
Now you know what it feels like, eh? Come on, the bugs and slugs!
Mad maps, man.
Scotland's a total mad shape, isn't it? But
Aye, because like England's like a body, right, and then Scotland's a big head.
big bad jaggy heat, man.
Yeah, look at that, look. Here's a place called Tongue.
Big stupid tongue sticking at the top of the head like that.
Imagine you drove up there and it was just a big tongue waiting on you.
Licking you. Yeah.
You're standing there soaking like that.
That's bogging, man. Here, the Isle of Rum.
Rum, man. Bet you's full of shops that just sell rum, everybody drinks some. Bet they're all alkies up there.
Here, give some of your rum, man. Shut up, you've got your own rum.
You mad rummy.
Egg, man. Bet you that's just a big egg, man.
Big brown egg like that going, eat me.
Then you fly in with a plane and totally cut the lid off it with a wing. Then you get a big loaf and just dip it in the yolk.
Covered in the mad yolk.
Then the big chicken that belonged to the egg turns up and it's totally beeling, man. It's like that, man. You bastards, look what you've done to my egg. Say you're wanting me. I'll get your egg. Here your egg.
Too far. I just bought this country cottage for £80,000 on eBay. Bastard!
Today, this magnificent Scottish Parliament building is completed. It is an architectural masterpiece, a source of great national pride, and I'm sure the Scottish public will flock to it in the thousands and agree it is money well spent.
I smell shite.
Now, this isn't your father's speak and spell. The little pal is 100 times more powerful. It has progressive memory and the learning capability of a 10-year-old. I would go as far to say that it's not even a child's toy at all. It's a friend. It's an equal. We're going to be ready to roll these out for next Christmas. Okay, that's 5 minutes to lunch. Let's make him say dirty words.
Rim me, pull back, suck my balls, dot burp, show us your titties.
Mad roasting. You roasting. Puddle of water under my tits here. Soaking.
Hi, guys. Okay? Good. You know, it's fairly straightforward for you, isn't it, Janet? You know.
Yes, I'm just nodding and agreeing.
Yeah, because your husband has all the dialogue.
That's right, that's what you're doing, just nodding and agreeing. I've got all the dialogue. I'm the dialogue king. That's right. It's all about debt. I know everything.
What's your name?
Ronald Villiers. I'm with Widdicombe and Pump. Here's a card.
That's okay. The thing is, this advert's, I want it loose, nice and loose. Basically, Lagoon Finance have come in, they've bought up all your debt,
Lagoon
and
Finance.
life's fantastic.
I just relaxed. Right, okay.
Are you, what's with the hat and coat?
That's my thing. That's me. I'm known for it. Hat and coat. They said you could wear anything you wanted to.
Yeah, but you're indoors. Could we maybe lose the hat?
No.
Okay, whatever. Ready to go?
Yes.
Mr. Big Shot Director. What do everybody know me? Right, I know what I'm doing. Everything's fine. Up to your boys in debt, all that.
And action.
We were spiralling out of control with debt, largely due to this article here. She was spending it faster than I could make it. Credit cards, boof, boof, Marks and Spencer's. Until that was, I got a pair of scissors and cut them on half. That's hubbed your wee game, my lady, you gold-digging bastard. Have that.
The advert's not really about blame, It's, more to do with the
Yes.
fact that Lagoon Finance have come in and rescued you from
That's
some
right.
spiralling
Yeah, I'm not an
debts.
idiot. I know that.
I know.
I was trying to give the audience at home a wee bit of backstory. Drama, if you like.
Okay, we've got 4 other couples to film this afternoon. We don't really need any backstory, okay?
Fine and dandy.
Right.
Try your best here. Oh, it's all undone my back now. It's so
And action.
We were in terrible debt. And then Lagoon Finance waded in. What a mess it was, but they sorted it out by consolidating all our wee toty debts into one manageable debt. Personally, I don't see the force here, getting rid of a load of wee debts just to get one big hooray of debt. I just use Switch. That way, at the end of the month, you know exactly where you are.
Cut.
Oh, come on, that was smashing.
Oh, do you know his dialogue?
Yes.
Right. You take the dialogue, right? You sit, you nod, and you agree, okay?
Yes. Seen this coming. Chuff yourself, aye. Ooh, I'm the big shot now, eh? And I'm the tit. Nod and agree.
Action.
We were in mountains of debt. It really was getting on top of us. Then with one phone call to Lagoon Finance, they sorted out all their debts into one easily affordable monthly payment. It really was so simple with Lagoon Finance.
Calm down, dear. It's only a commercial.
You eat.
Oh, that's smashing into it. Replace with a cushion.
£20 for Auntie Sadie. That's lovely.
See, it's just, this just keeps freezing up.
No, no. So usually, what you've got to do is you've got to follow the wires back to the individual bits of kit, That, for instance, the wire to your keyboard, but the light's on, so that's fine. And your mouse is working, so that's okay.
All right.
Do you know what it might be? Your modem.
Oh, really?
Is it on the back here?
I just around the corner.
Right. See, what you need at the very least is a 56k modem.
Right.
Whereas that's a pan loaf.
Come on, princess. You used to have been sleep me ages ago. Let's get you tucked up. Your wee magazine, eh? Huh?
What were things like when you were a wee lassie?
Well, for a start, we had no polyphonic ringtones in my day. We just had normal ringtones. So that meant when your phone rang, it went beep, 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 beep. And there was no such thing as predictive text either. Just ordinary text. That was back in the days when Robbie Williams was in a band called Take That. Aye. We used to go up to dancing to a thing called a rave. Totally danced till dawn, man. Rave on. It was in this big mad tent in the middle of a field. That's where I met John. This one time, police came, right, raided the place, chucked us all out. But John was totally dehydrated, so they took him away in an ambulance. But I ended up taking a Maddie and jumping in the back of the ambulance because I wanted my face to be the first thing he saw when he came to.
Ah, night-night, Granny.
Here's you, Samuel. The Splendor Lux washer dryer.
Another Splendor Lux flies at the door, Sammy.
It's wife's best friend, Fat Sam.
Oh, 10 minutes sitting on the spin cycle, and it'll be wham bam, thank you, Sam.
Want no warranty?
No, I don't want one. Those warranties are a con.
Oh, a con, Samuel L. Jackson.
Do we look like con men, Jacko?
Do we look like we're wearing a robber's mask, Wacko Jacko?
Do I spy a robber's mask and swag bag or near Alan?
No swag bag on me, Wacko Jacko, pale-faced chimps for mates.
No warranty. Thanks.
Sure. Chimp, chinnery, chimp, chin, chin.
We know where you live, monkey boy.
Address is right here on the screen.
Got kid?
Got a dog?
Are they safe?
Can you warrant it?
Dogs get stabbed.
Look, I can't afford a warranty, right?
Fair dues.
Enjoy your washer, sir.
Oh my!
Merry Christmas, Family Guy.
Are you sure you know what in the warranty?
I got this bike off of eBay! Fantastic! Bastard! Did you take it?
Yeah.
Oh my! Certainly standing to attention, isn't it? Mind you, looks a wee bit angry. How many did you take?
5. John, how you doing?
Hey, Martin. What are you up to?
I'm working on here.
I thought you were with the police pipe band.
Aye, still with the pipe band, aye. But we're not gigging all the time, you know, so... And they got me in here, you know. Store detect. Here, hold a minute. That bastard's lifted something. Shoplifter! Shoplifter! You ready for another one, Bill?
Don't mind if I do.
He's on with us. Aye. How's that?
Keep going.
Down.
Hold on. There we are.
Oh.
Cheers.
Guys, lonely, horny, call Naughty and Dates now. Pick a gorgeous skinny babe, then choose a super sensual neddy option like I'm caked in orange and up for all sorts. Listen in while I twang my scrunchie. My track is raiding up my back crack. I'm fast and loose and picking my loose. And for the foot fetishists, check my spanking white night gutties. Call right now, because there's a slutty, half-cut, naughty neddy just dying to talk to you on a knocked-off mobile phone.
And there's your change, madam. It's been a pleasure serving you. You have a fine day. Do call again now. What was all that pish about? I got a tip-off. Management's sending in a mystery shopper to keep us on our toes. A mystery shopper? A plant. It could be anybody, you know, so keep that smile slapped on your face if you know it's good for you. So do you think he's been in yet? That's the thing, it could be anybody, you know, so just keep the edgy. Oh, Gary, the joys of the Hogmanay Donner.
What could be more bounteous of banter than a saunter doing sucking?
I have the bucket.
The tinker's toy! tonic.
Oh, the claret of the clatty.
The swally of the scally.
The nectar of the ned.
The wine. He's a charge.
I'm on first slug.
Well, I'm on first efties, and I'll have none of your floaters.
I have to warn you, old chum, there's every chance that I might just pure down this in a whanny.
Oh, get the lid ripped off it.
Oh, Gary, avail yourself a whiff of the banterous bouquet.
Ah, the aroma of a rammy.
The odour of disorder.
The hum of the slum.
A square go encapsulated in a bottle.
Well worth the fiver.
Absolutely.
Cappuccino.
You read my mind.
Please remember to keep your PIN number and your credit cards separate.
Who's it for?
Bank of Scotland. It's lovely, isn't it?
All right, man.
Do you do Walkmans, man?
Walkman's man. Tenor, man.
Do you play this, man?
No, that's a Discman, man. You need the Discman, man.
The Discman, man?
Aye, for playing your Discman, man. What is that, Discman?
Anchorman, man?
Anchorman's a movie, man. You need a DVD, man.
Oh, man, no Walkman, no Discman, man. Much for a DVD, man?
Ton, man.
Ton, man. You're a highwayman, man.
All right, man. I'm gonna do for you, man.
And that is the process which is known as cellular mitosis. Lee Gowdy, for goodness sake, pay attention. Unless, of course, you'd rather spend the rest of your life working in a fish farm.
No, miss, I'm going to university.
Oh, really? I find it hard to imagine that any half-decent university would entertain the likes of a dafty like you.
Miss, you can't call me that. That's not politically correct.
Now hear this. I will not be lectured to by a half-wit.
Miss, you can't call us half-wits anymore.
We've to be encouraged.
I would encourage you to come to school in a skirt that doesn't make you look like a person of ill repute. And as for you, Graham Young, you can speak to me about half-wits and such when you learn to grow a proper moustache.
Miss, how did you grow yours?
Right, that is enough.
Seen that lassie in a canteen. She gives it to me the other day. Beef stew? I says, yes, if you put some of your gravy on it, saucy.
I'm up yesterday for my pudding. She's like, 2 dumplings. I went, oh, delightful, delicious. We know it was curry yesterday. I went, I'll take some mango chutney and gives a wee bit of your nan there.
And I'm like, pie! Pie! Give me your pie! Give me your pie! Our pie's down!
That was a great track there on this fine, crisp Sunday morning. Back in a moment for more tunes.
The Verity Clinic invites you to join us for our annual seminar at the Hilton Hotel this coming Sunday. Our consultants are on hand to discuss with you any treatment you so desire. We specialise in facial hair removal, liposuction, Botox and buttock lifts. The Verity Clinic. Discover the new you.
Are you a big, fat, baldy, pot-bellied, shiftless, boss-eyed bastard?
It's simple. You give me 400 quid, or you're going to find out why they call me the butcher.
Is there a problem here?
Aye, big man. This guy here wants £400 a month protection money.
Protection money? See if somebody had a word with your ma about protection before she could shot herself away round the back of the chippy to all the boys. We wouldn't be standing here right now.
You can't scare the butcher.
I'm not trying to scare you, but I'll stick this copy of Heat magazine up for down your neck. You'll be picking Peter Andre's wedding photos out your starfish.
Well, get on my way. No danger, big man.
Don't call me big man. Call me the butcher.
How?
Because I'm going to butcher your boss.
Thanks, big man. I don't know what to do without you.
No bother. But you're going to need protection for these arseholes. 600 a week, do you?
Not a problem, big man.
Jimmy, if you need a pee, then go for a pee. Oh, for God's sake, ladies!
Hello there. You'd be forgiven for thinking we were having a duel at dawn, but of course, we're not.
Indeed, we are not, Roddy. We're here to tell you the important part that these swords played in the history of the Clan MacIsaac.
Indeed they did, Alistair, indeed they did.
Now, in 1327, Hector MacIsaac and William Calder fought to the death in a duel with these very weapons, Calder being the victor.
Yes, and believe it or not, all for the princely sum of a sack of barley.
No, I can't say I blame them, Rory. You can get a lot of fine, fine malt whiskey out of a sack of barley.
Indeed you can, Alistair. And you know, the ill feeling between the families lasted for over 4 generations.
Until one fateful day in 1427, when their great-great-great-grandsons met up again for another famous clan duel.
And as they stared at each other with steely eyes, it was then that we first heard uttered the now famous clan motto.
The crow flies low over the cornfield.
The scarecrow is covered in frost.
When will the harvest be?
Tomorrow. Face forward. Don't look at me.
Sorry, Jackal.
Do you have the money?
It's in the case.
Put the case next to mine. Now, lift my case. Your business partner will gaze at the moon for the last time tonight.
Thank you, Jackal.
Walk away.
Oh! No way, man! Hey, Jackal, man, how you doing, Jackal, my baby? Here's the Jackal! The Jackal, man, this guy done my wife in for me, man. What a job on her. Sweet, quick, clean, beautiful, man.
Oh, the Jackal, how you doing, my man? Here, gonna take my brother in. He's a dobber.
Here, David, take a photo of me and the Jackal.
Don't have to work with that
Go on,
phones.
go on.
No photos, please.
Oh, come on. You get it, you get
Jackal,
it.
look at
Shows
his
it,
face, he's
shows it, man.
raging, man. Look.
Hello, it's the Jackal. Oh, how are you, Jackal, eh? See, Betty, look, that's him. I never forget a face. Mine when my Harry got killed there, accidentally falling down the stairs and broke his neck. I've got the Jackal to thank for that, so I have.
Where to, pal? Christ, you never know them, innit? Hey, the Jackal there. How are you, fella? My supervisor was giving me a hard time till the Jackal steps in.
Jackal! I think I've lifted my own case. What am I like?
Too old for this fish.
Okay, boys. Your grandpa wants to say something to you before he... I'm sorry.
Oh, my lovely grandchildren, my family. I've had a good life. But I want to give you a gift. A gift for everybody. For Susie, it's a silver service salad. For Stuart, a 7 shiny Spanish souvenir sovereigns. And for Sam, my South Seas ceiling standard. The single surviving sample of the South Selkirk St. Christopher. I think that's me.
You should try it on. What do you think?
It's not really me, is it?
Recently, chess has enjoyed a massive resurgence in popularity thanks largely to these two men. Anatoly Ivanova has penned over 40 books on the subject, including his most recent, Attacking the King. Garry Kasparov has hailed him the last of the true masters. Dmitry Mazanov has just defeated IBM's Deep Blue chess program in just 7 games. He's certainly earned his reputation as the bad boy of chess. Gentlemen, thank you both very much for coming along this evening.
No danger.
Quality, man. Tell me, gentlemen, are you looking forward to your contest at the Grosvenor Hotel next week?
Aye, man, it's going to be magic, man.
I'm chess daft, man.
All I think about is chess, man. It's chess. My head's full of it, man.
I dream about chess and shite, no?
I beg your pardon?
Chess, you dick! Chess, man. You can't even play drafts. Beat it, you fanny.
My mum's got Lionel like that in her kitchen.
Geese a gobble! So I've opened the door, and who's standing there? Archie. Oh, shit! You like that, man, eh? That's a crack. Oh, here. I want to see Mrs. Parson at 2 o'clock. Mrs. Parson? We want to see her, she's put the beef away. She's at the side of her house. He's on, he's too late. Anyway, I'm going to try and get off early, right? Yeah. I've got a match, you know. You two are just spitting me, aren't you?
Excuse me, sir. You been drinking?
There's a couple of drinks, that's all.
Ah, well, you don't mind taking a wee sobriety test. Right then, would you sleep with my colleague here?
Aye?
Cuff him.
Get out! No!
Don't worry.
I couldn't have got through today without you.
Be happy.
Happy New Year, Abdi.
Don't worry, be happy.
Can't believe we've done it. I didn't have a choice.
Don't worry.